India crosses 83,000 COVID positive cases for second consecutive day, while 1,093 persons succumb to complications. Like other roads in the state, National Highway 17 from Patra Devi to Kulwari is in a dilapidated condition. Two of the three accused arrested in Margao Jewellers' brutal daylight murder given 10 days police remand. Police recovered knife used in murder, two still absconding. Election Commission announces Bihar Assembly, Parliament by polls by November. Supreme Court rejects pleas of 6 non-BJP governments against NEET JEE exams. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. India crossed 83,000 COVID positive cases for the second day running, while 1,093 persons succumbed to virus-related complications in the last 24 hours, the second highest number in the world. Total cumulative infections have touched 39,36,748. However, a comforting fact is that 30,37,152 persons got well and went home.
There are 8,31,124 active cases in the country, while a total of 66,659 have recovered in the past 24 hours. Here is a comparison of cases versus recoveries and total deaths. Cases 39,36,747, deaths 68,472, recovered 30,37,151. Cases in Maharashtra, the top state, has touched 8.43 lakhs. Delhi leads in percentage of recovered list. Maharashtra 8.43 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 4.65 lakh, Tamil Nadu 4.45 lakh, Karnataka 3.70 lakh, Uttar Pradesh 2.47 lakh. Recovery rate: Delhi 87.8%, Bihar 87.9%, Andaman and Nicobar 87.6%, Dadar and Nagar Haveli 87.8%, Tamil Nadu 86.6%, Rajasthan 82.6%, Nagaland 81.5%, Gujarat 81%. Total cumulative global cases 26,481,441 crossed 2 crore, with 2,93,000 cases being reported in last 24 hours. More than 6,000 deaths were reported worldwide, out of which 1,093 were from India. Only America had a higher number of deaths than India. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The Margao police recovered the weapons used in the heinous murder of 41-year-old goldsmith Swapnil Warke. Warke was shot inside his shop and then stabbed in full public view by a gang in broad daylight. 3 of the gang, who are in police custody, have been remanded to 10 days police custody. 2 are still absconding.
2 of the accused have been arrested and 1 surrendered. 2 are still at large. The deceased, Swapnil Walke, had a jewellery shop behind Grace Church. On Wednesday morning, 3 men entered his shop and threatened him at the gunpoint. 2 shots were reportedly fired. Swapnil managed to exit from the shop. A scuffle broke out on the road. During the scuffle, one of the assailants pulled out a knife and stabbed him. They then fled from the scene. He later succumbed to his injuries. Meanwhile, Congress President Girish Chudankar has written to Director General of Police Mukesh Kumar Meena, stating that the law and order situation in the state is deteriorating. He cited the recent murder in Margao, the earlier murder in Mercedes in gang war, and the rave parties in North Goa where drugs have been seized. Sandeep Toyakar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The National Highway 17 stretch from Patra Devi to Kulwari in North Goa is in a dilapidated condition. The highway has more potholes than tar at large number of places, making it very difficult for vehicles to navigate. The work of concretizing the highway is going on, but looks as if there is no planning and it is putting commuters to major inconvenience besides potentially damaging cars.
Roads all over the street are in very bad condition. As the government ignores these dangerous routes, motorists, including two-wheeler riders, have no choice but to use these roads at their peril. Goa 365 has been highlighting these bad roads in the hope that the PWD and the National Highway Authority of India will do something and save many a limb and life of citizens.
तू गाडी चलयणार मी गाडी व्यतिरिक्त काय सांगा रस्तो कसो आहे याची वस्तू ती दिसता मरे टू व्हीलर वाल्या मोठ्या गाडयेचा तरी बरं असत टू व्हीलर वाल्या वगैरे खंय खड्ड्यान पाणी भरलेलं असत जाल्यार कळना ना तांकां अर्ध फुटाचो अणको असो ना म्हटले तरी गाडी फुटले नेता जाल्यार आपण रावाचा पडटा होणक्यान फुडें गाडी घालू शकना नाही तू साईड दिवची पडटा रावान रात्रीच्या टायमार बी तर मोठे गाडी येता तर डिपर मारना आणि कळना ना हेतून जास्त त्रास टू व्हीलर
आयज ही परिस्थिती तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा रोडाचेर लोक येतात ते भायले लोक आयज विजीट करतात आयज बॉर्डर ओपन केल्ली आसा ट्राफीक वाडलो परतो नॉर्मल रुटीन जो ट्राफीक आसलो तसो आतां स्टार्ट जाल्लो आसा आणि ह्या अशा परिस्थितीन जे वेगवेगळे जंक्शन जे हांगासर आसात जेची कामां चालू आसात फ्लायओवर म्हणत किंवा हो कॉन्क्रिटीकरण जे चालू आसा रस्त्याचें त्या संदर्भात डायवर्जनां खूब जाल्लीं आसात आणि ही डायवर्जनां भायल्या गाडयांच्या जाल्यार अजिबात लक्षान येयनात थंयसर प्रॉपर तेंचे सायन बोर्ड्स किंवा जे रस्ते ते तरेन करपाक जाय आसलो जो स्टँडर्ड मेंटेन करपाक जाय आसलो तो खंयच दिश्टी पडना जी फोणकुलां आसा त्या फोणकुलान गाडी वयता आनी उसळटा तातूंत फोर व्हिलराचे सुद्दां अनेक एक्सिडंट जाल्ले आसात ऑलरेडी आमी खूब फावटी मेमोरंडम किंवा त्यांच्या लक्षान कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीच्या हायवे ऑथॉरिटीच्या हाडून दिल्ले पण त्याचेर कांयच दिश्टी पडना आमकां जाताना सरकार न्हिदला काय ते खातें सुस्त जालां कांयच कळना आमकां हांव परत एक फावट तुमच्या माध्यमांतून परत एकदा मागणी करता की हे जे डायवर्जनां आसात ती व्यवस्थित तेंच्यांनी परत सारकी करची.
Many roads and some PWD work is bad in the Kunkoli area also. However, here the MLA is saying that he will repair them and also complete some pending works in the area. He held a meeting with PWD officials on this.
जे आमगेले वो एक्सिडेंट फ्लोर जोर जाला हूंय आग्राम रोड टू गुडी तुम चोयला आसतले कितले वर्सां थिंग गाडी पडटा एवरी विका 2-3 गाडी थिंग आसताय एक्सिडेंट जाताय सारखे सो हांवें थिंगा तो एक 5 crore एस्टिमेट केला आनी ती फायल TS जावन आतां टेक्निकल सँक्शन जालें आनी आतां जे फायनान्शियल एप्रुवल जे फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटान हालीं उरलां तितलें उरलां सो सीएमान इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें म्हणटरी ती फायल ती पळय टेंडर करून घेता हांव तेच फाटल्यान सगळीं उरलो कामां जातलीं जे आमगे मेन कुंकोळे जे म्युनिसिपालिटी टू आंबावल्यान जे MDR पटी रस्तो एक पॉटवर्स पडले तेवूय कालें काण घेयले आनी तेणी म्हाका सांगितलें कंप्लीट जालें म्हणून तांकां परत इन्स्पेक्शन करपा लागलो होरें ते कंप्लीट जाले ते चोवपाक आनी आनी खंयचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जे पॉटवर्स आसाय तेवूय तांकां चॅक करपा धाडय.
ना ते पटोल सम कॉन्स्टन्सी पटोल अशें
कुंकळे कोच
कुंकळे आंबोली
हय
ते आतां काडला हालता येस्टरडे इट इज ट्यूजडे कंप्लीट केला.
एक वेळ कित्याक जालो तुमकां हें करपाचें
ना इट वॉज हेवी रेन वॉज देयर
बट आतां सगळें कंप्लीट आनी फूल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तुमी काडटले हे पटोल
या वॉट वेरेवर इट इज देयर पटोल काडटले
सगळे कडेन.
Ramesh Naik Raut and Sandeep Kamukar for Goa 365 from Penne and Kunkoli.
Goa Forward has criticized the government's decision to withdraw the surety to loans given to government employees. According to them, the government is surety to about 300 crore rupees in loans to its employees. Here are the details.
Goa Forward spoke to media outside the Directorate of Accounts, stating that they would not allow the government to play with the lives of its employees, especially in these trying times. It also warned the bank managers that they should not ask for any more surety from employees. Listen.
जेन्ना कोणी लोन काडटा सगळ्यांक खबर आसतलें लोन काडटना ताका सॅक्युरिटी दवरतात कोणी दोग जाण श्युरिटी रावतात आनी श्युरिटी रावतरीर ते बरी श्युरिटी आसा म्हूण सांगतरीर तो लोन सँक्शन जाता आनी बँक डिसबर्स करता. हातूंत गव्हर्मेंट श्युरिटी रावला गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां गॅरंटी दिला 300 कोटीची काय कितें आनी आतां गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा की सॅक्युरिटी विड्रॉ करता अशें जावंक शकना. बँकेचो मॅनेजर जर गव्हर्मेंटाची सॅक्युरिटी जर विड्रॉ केली तर बँकेचो मॅनेजर ताका जबाबदार आसतलो. एक फावटी लोन डिसबर्स जातकीर तो पेड जाता म्हणल्यार श्युरिटी विड्रॉ करपाक मेळना. आनी हें जर प्रमोद सावंता सारक्या किंवा हांगाचे फायनान्स सेक्रेटरी हांकां जर खबर ना की जेन्ना तूं श्युरिटी रावता तेन्ना तुवें लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की आपल्याले लोन तागे पेड जाता म्हळ्यार आपूण ताका श्युरिटी आसता म्हणून. इन बिटवीन तूं श्युरिटी विड्रॉ करतलो म्हणटा जावंक शकना. आनी बँकेन हें नोट करपाचें की खंयच्याच गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटान एक सांगपा जाय की आमी नवी श्युरिटी दिवचे नात आमी गव्हर्मेंटान विड्रॉ करूं किंवा कोणें करूं तुमी जेन्ना हें दिलां आमी नवी श्युरिटी दिवचे ना. गव्हर्मेंटान 300 कोटी बँके कडेन दवरला म्हणटा तें दांदांत खोटें. गव्हर्मेंटान फक्त 300 कोटीची हें केलां, पूण जालें कशें की आमगेल्या फायनान्स मिनिस्टराक ताजें ज्ञान ना. ताका कोणी तरी ऑफिसरान सांगलें की ना पर्रीकार सरकारान 300 कोटी बँकेत दवरिल्ल्या, ते 300 कोटी विड्रॉ केले जाल्यार आमकां इफी करपाक मेळटलो, आमकां आनी खंय फॉल्क मारपाक मेळटली म्हणून ताका दिला ते काडले की आपल्याक मेळटली म्हणून. तागेले गैरसमज आहा की 300 कोटी ही फक्त पेपरावयली गॅरंटी, 300 कोटी कॅश काडून दवरिल्ले नात. आनी हांव गव्हर्मेंटा बरोबर बँकेक वॉर्निंग दिता की तांणी सरकारी नोकराच्या लायफा कडेन खेळची न्ही.
एम्प्लॉयीजांनी कितें जर जावंक जालें जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्री पूर्णपणे हाका जबाबदार आसतलो आनी ही हॅव टू फेस द फ्रंट ऑफ गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी ऑन दीस.
Amar Chauria for Goa 365.
It was a lucky escape for a policeman after his car caught fire while he was driving. Rohan Naik, attached to Kolva police station, was going home from work when he saw a red light flashing on his dashboard. He quickly got out. He saw some smoke coming out and the car burst into flames.
The car was completely gutted in fire that took place at Valsaun late on Thursday night. Police suspect that this incident occurred due to technical fault in the vehicle. Verna PSI Sridhar Kamath said that the Verna police received a call that a polo car was on fire at Valsaun near the Jubilant Hall. The police rushed to the site and also informed the fire brigade.
So दोनांक सुमार आमकां एक फोन कॉल आयलो फ्रॉम कंट्रोल रूम PCR पणजे, informing that one four-wheeler has caught fire at near Jubilant Hall in Valsaun. So accordingly we immediately proceeded to the spot. Within 10 minutes we reached the spot and we found that one vehicle belonging to one Mr. Rohan Naik has caught fire. Rohan Naik is a police constable who is attached to Kolva PS. So we immediately contacted fire brigade. Fire brigade came and doused the fire. Again during inquiry we found out that Rohan Naik was proceeding to his residence late at night after finishing his duty, and he while driving he saw one red color light in the ignition in the dial saying danger. So he immediately stopped the vehicle, put off the vehicle, waited for some time and got out of the car. Then again he sat in the car and he started his vehicle and he started moving, and when he reached at the Jubilant Hall, Valsaun, again he saw the red light coming in the ignition. So he again got down and went at some distance and waited, and in some time he saw a dust smoke coming out from the car. So that time he immediately contacted the police. So immediately we rushed to the spot and the further inquiry is in progress.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Verna.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Visionaries Cooperative Society bank account holders are still unhappy. Now, after the bank couldn't give back savings of the account holders, they filed a police complaint on Friday.
Imagine your hard-earned savings are all in the bank, but suddenly, and especially when you most need them, they become out of reach. This is the situation in Kolva. Now, the depositors of the Visionaries Cooperative Society have filed a complaint with the Kolva police station on Friday, alleging that they fear misappropriation of funds. The depositors want action against those involved. Listen in to their argument.
आमी जायती सेवरल फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवारी आमकां सेवरल नोटिसीस ही सगळी नोटिसां तांकां सर्व केले थ्रू कोलवा पुलीस आनी एआरसी ऑफिसांतल्यानूय बीन सर्व केले सगळे स्टाफाक. पूण कोण येनासलोली. ही 2 दीस येताय 10 दीस येनासता रावताय. तेश कोन आतां फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ जानेवारी आज पावले आमी सप्टेंबर जालो म्हळ्यार आयज पासून ती 1 दीस येताय 10 दीस येयनाय. आतां 2 दीस येयले 1 दिसा येयले. आपण फुल डे केला फर्स्ट डे ऑन द डे ऑफ फर्स्ट सप्टेंबर तेमी फुल डे केला. 2nd सप्टेंबर इवनिंग आमी इवनिंगूय येतली आमी मॉर्निंग पावना म्हणटाय. पूण ही तेंगे ड्युटी हे तेमगे फीड वर्क आसलोले आख्खें करपाचें. फ्रॉम हांव एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिता की आतां डे टू डे कॅश बुक आसता तो हुंयच्या बँका वसाय डेली एंट्री करपा आसता एंट्रीज. तितून एमी हे ब्रांचांक डेली एंट्री केलो नाय. एंट्री करपा आसल्या पासून तांकां ऑप्शन दिलोले लायन मार आनी सोकला सिग्नेचर मार आनी थिंग बरोय लेटली एंटर्ड म्हूण एंट्रीज घाल म्हूण. तेशें बाबा तेश म्हूण सांगला ते सांगता हांव कोण काय म्हूण म्हाका हांव आतां थ्रू मिडिया सांगता म्हाका एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एज अ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपॉइंट केला ARC ऑफिसान फ्रॉम पेंजीम रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस आनी हितून गोविंद गावडेन आमकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलां की वचोन PIया सांग कोलवा खुंयच्या PIया सांग की स्टाफ येयना येता ते आमकां तेंका वचोन रिपोर्ट कोर येयना जाल्यार आनी PI कितको एक्शन घेयना तो आपोवन चोयतलो हे आमकां गोविंद गावडेन एश्युरन्स दिलोलें सो ते एश्युरन्साचे आमी 31स्टार हिंगेन आमी तेजे वॉलिटा कित्या येयलें ना ते हें केलें सो तो नोट हांवें त्या दिसा दिलोलो की तितू कोलवा स्टाफ आपयलोले आनी हांवें त्या दिसा वॉलिटा कित्या मेन्शन केलोलें कित्याक वॉलिटा कोडे चाई आसताय ते ब्रांचाच्यो
तुमचे शी इज अ कोर कमिटी मेंबर म्हणजे कितें दिल जाल्यार म्हाका कितें हेल्प जातलें आनी तेका हांवें धाडलो हेका सांगो आनी हांव तेका सदां सांगतालो म्हाका एश कोता मागीर ते म्हाका भायर जायत पाट बुजवण दिता जेवेर तूं भिनाका तूं हें राव काम राव कूल राव म्हणपाक तुका हांवें तो तेका नोट धाडलो मुको आतां आनी सुचोवंक जायना कितें एकलो मुगेलो कस्टमर तेगे जायते जाता लाखांनी पयशे जाताय तेका बँकांतल्यान नोटीस येयली हूंय ते लोन काडलो तेका बँकान नोटीस धाडली आमी तुगेलो ऑक्शनाक घातलें आतां फाल्यां समज तें घर जावं बाट ऑक्शनाक घातलें हांव रिस्पॉन्सिबल जालो ना त्या पासत हांवें नोट बरयल्लो म्हाका जायना आनी म्हाका कस्टमर आजून देखून म्हाका म्हणटा आपल्या पयशे केदो दिता.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Kolwa.
And now for some national news. The Election Commission on Friday has announced Bihar elections by November along with the by-polls to 65 Lok Sabha seats. The Supreme Court also rejected the pleas of 6 non-BJP governments on holding on NEET JEE exams in the country.
The Election Commission made this announcement after a meeting held to review the situation, especially given the COVID-19 situation. NEET and JEE exams have become a huge political quagmire. However, the government refused to listen to opposition and began these competitive exams. Now, the apex court has thrown out the pleas of 6 states against holding these exams. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
And now for some sports news. Former Atletico Madrid midfielder Alberto Nogueira becomes the 4th new foreign signing for the Gors. On Thursday late evening, FC Goa confirmed this. The Spaniard has signed on for a 2-year deal till the summer of 2022.
The fleet-footed centre midfielder represents the 4th new foreign signing and the 4th new Spaniard to join the Gauds this transfer window, following hot on the heels of Igor Angulo, Jorge Ortiz and Ivan Gonzalez. Nogueira on his social media account said that he felt FC Goa was the best fit for him and hopes to go to India soon and get ready for the new season. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.